Yo, what's up guys? This is Mckoy, you the first beat effect. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about kick rolls. So, may nagtanong kasi, or one of the comments asked kung paano natin napapabilis yung yun. So, first step, for you to be able to do that na parang dalawang bass ang nangyayari in just a matter of seconds, ito ang pattern na kailangan natin gawin. Yun yung tinatawag na BTB, or bass, hi-hat, bass. So, first step for us to execute that technique is dun sa first bass, first B, yan yung usual, diba? So, instead of exerting all of the air out, you might want to compress that bass here. So for first timers, or for other beatboxers na mag-execute ng ganong technique for the very first time, then hinaan nyo lang muna yung bass na yun, just like. So instead of exerting, like, just do. Yes? Alright, so that's the first step. Next one is an immediate transfer to hi-hat. So parang nagigets nyo yung parang sobrang ikli lang ng duration, parang millisecond lang yung paglipat natin dun sa hi-hat. Okay, so that's the second step. Third is immediate na paglipat din sa last bass, which is okay. So the trick will be from bass, immediate transfer to hi-hat, then immediate transfer to bass, to the last bass. It will sound like so kung first time nyong gawin to, then you might want to practice the beat as and as you progress, sobrang paikli yung duration ng paglipat-lipat nyo ng beat. So it will just sound like just like this progression, right? Gets? Alright, so beat na pwede nyong pagpraktisan is BTBK, bass, hi-hat, bass, rim shot. It will sound like na normal, but as we progress, gets? Alright, so that's it. This is a very quick tutorial. So I'm gonna see you on my next video. Ituturo ko naman doon yung lip roll as per request. So yeah, thank you so much guys sa mga comments, support, new subscribers. Nasa 775 na tayo, so malapit na lang. We're nearing 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for the support. Next tutorial will be lip rolls. So mayroon tayong iba't ibang klase ng lip roll. So tuturo ko sa inyo yung isa-isa. So there you go guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kung mapapansin nyo, iba yung background kasi we went out of town for a bit, you know. So yep, I'm gonna see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Click the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. You might also like this video and you might want to share it with your friends. If you haven't seen some of my tutorials or my other tutorials, you might want to check the description box below. Ilagay ko lahat ng mga link dun. So I'm gonna see you soon. Peace, bro. Oh, by the way, shout outs, First Beat Effect, PHBA, Beatbox Lions, Bacolod Beatbox Community, Cebu Elite Beatboxers, and sa lahat ng beatboxers sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and IBL. Yun. Yeah, peace, bro!